Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Naden Jalia. In this video, I will explain about language acquisition. This presentation will discuss the concept of second language acquisition, the factors that influence it interlanguage, and the relationship between SLA materials and the general lectures. Let's start the discussion. In this presentation, there are several topics that will be discussed. They include first, second language acquisition. Second, factors affecting SLA. 3. The nature of learning language. 4. Interlanguage. 5. Social and discourse aspect of interlanguage. And the last, psycholinguistic and linguistic aspect of interlingual. All of discussed topics are related to how a second language is learned and developed. And next, factors affecting SLA. Factors affecting SLA language acquisition are divided into internal and external factors. Internal factors come from the learner such as motivation and attitude. Learn to have strong motivation usually learn a second language more effectively. External factors come from the environment such as teacher, learning materials, and the social interaction. These factors play important role in supporting language learning. Okay, next, second language acquisition. L1 and L2. Second language acquisition is the process of learning a second language after the first language. L1 refers to the first language. L2 is the target language being learned. The first language often influences the learning of the second language. This influence can be positive or negative depending on the similarities between L1 and L2. Okay, the next, the nature of learning language. The nature of learning language refers to the characteristic of language produced by learners during the learning process. This development is influenced by several factors such as motivation and learning style. Each learner has the different way of learning, so their language developments also be different. And the next slide, interlanguage. Interlanguage is developing language system created by second language learners. It is influenced by both the first language and the target language. Interlanguage shows that errors are the nature part of the learning process. Some characteristics of the interlanguage include language transfer, over generalization, teaching input, and fossilizations. Social and discourse aspect of interlanguage. Social and discourse aspect focus on how language learning is influenced by social interaction and communication. Learners develop their language through interaction with other social contexts and communication partners. These aspects include interlanguage social context, microsocial factors, and macrosocial factors. Psycholinguistic and linguistic aspect. Psycholinguistic and linguistic aspect explain the mental process influence in language learning. Psycholinguistic focus on how learners process and store language in their minds. Meanwhile, linguistic focuses on the structure and system of the language, except both aspects are important in the understanding how learners develop interlanguage. Okay, next, relationship between SLA materials and the general lectures. Relationship with the general lectures, the SLA materials are closely related to the general lectures, but emphasize the language learning is a gradual process that influences cognitive development, social interaction, and continued practice. The general lectures have strengthened the understanding of SLA concept through really examples and the experiences. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.